Hello, welcome to the Executive Bite. My name is Kyle Rowland. Today we're going to look a little deeper at what it takes to really move our delivery forward. So the real starting place when we're talking about fixing our delivery or maybe enhancing our delivery is really admitting that we have a problem or recognizing that there is some improvement to be made. And so just to put this on the table, full disclosure, none of us have arrived. We all have progress that we can make. We all have another area that we can dial in a little stronger and make more impact for our customer, bring more value into our business, and generally make the world a better place. So assuming we have all crossed that first line, the next thing is to realize that these massive transformations, like we like to call them in our industry, these huge change efforts to radically change our software development and to look to put more value out in that manner are not only not the way you get it done, they're actually really damaging because just like with the software that we're building, we can't plan in advance where we're going to need the help that we're going to need past a couple of little things. So the real thing to keep in mind as we're looking to enhance our delivery is that we take small steps in the right direction and that we just relentlessly do that day in, day out, year in, year out. That's really the way you move your practice forward. Now, the challenging question, of course, is what's the right step? And that really boils down to there's really only 4 areas you need to think about. So that's the first simplification of all this, is it's not really that complicated. There's architecture, people and process, software craft, and then DevOps or workflow automation, whatever angle you want to take on that. And so in those 4 areas, there's always going to be a long straw, which means that the path to finding the next small step is just finding where you're falling short in one of those 4 areas, which for the most part simply takes some thoughtful analysis, some stepping back and being honest with yourself. You know, is this architecture doing it for me? Are we great in craft? Could we move forward in that? Finding out what the most important in those 4 areas is and just fixing it. That it may not happen quickly, but again, small steps in the right direction is the way to make this all happen. So just as some encouragement, because like me, like you, like all of us, none of us have arrived, but really making a powerful improvement and moving forward in software development is really about finding that next small step. And there's only 4 places you have to look for it. And then it's just a matter of executing with some discipline. And then you're gonna really see that improvement that you want to see. So thanks for joining me. This is Kyle Rowland, and this has been the Executive Bite. Thanks. Have a good day.